This is Code.org. Let's see what we have here. Not only can you jump to some preset location like the corners of the canvas, you can also use a jump to command to get to absolutely any spot you'd like. Try this code to see how it works. Then make the program your own. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. And I'm running mine super fast. So just to run through this, we jump to 300, 100, which is up here apparently. So 300, 100. And then we set the color to red. And then we say my design. Now keep in mind what this is doing is the computer says, what the heck is my design? Schmack. Oh, here it is. And so we're asking the computer to run this chunk of code. And that's what it does. It goes over here, it repeats this 5 times, it repeats this 3 times, and it draws a bunch of lines for us. Once it's all done drawing that shape, it's here, right? It finishes at the 3 loop, it finishes the 5 loop, so this would actually run 15 times because 3 times 5. But anyways, once that's all done, it's done, and it goes back to here where it originally called, jumps to the center, I guess, sets the color to green, and goes up, run that again. And that's why we get several shapes. Now it asks us to make this our own. Well, first off, I want bigger shapes. 95. And what if I tweak the bit? Let's do 45. It's probably not going to connect then. Yeah. Okay, 45. But then what if I do this 10 times? Ah, look, it's like a pinwheel. Oh, I kind of love this. And, oh, we could even tweak it more. What if I want, instead of this, what if I do 100, jump over, what's this do? Ah, it's like a C. That's pretty cool. All right, so, ta-da! I think we're good to go. Also use the jump command to get to absolutely any spot. So if we want to keep switching this up, oh, what if I start way in the corner? Let's see what this does. By start, I mean green. You see how it's all the way over here? I actually love that design. Cool. Onward.